Hi, Qlik. I'm Nicole, one of your community admins. I hope everyone is enjoying their time on our site. I wanted to drop a vlog video to let everyone know we are listening to all the user feedback from the survey data submitted. The community admin team really appreciates your opinions and feedback submitted in the surveys. We want all users to feel heard, and we want to create different projects to address any suggestions or concerns provided by the users. We want your analytic and integration journey to be the best Qlik can be. And with that being said, I want to invite all community users to submit their opinions and feedback whenever surveys are prompted. In addressing your user feedback, admins will be creating videos with helpful tips and tricks in using the community. One new project we are starting off with is Suzy's Tips. So stay tuned for our next tip video from Suzy herself, and see you later. Bye!